We continue to track a flash flood warning in effect for Savannah and surrounding areas until 7 p.m. This includes Garden City, Whitmarsh Island, and Thunderbolt. Now, the worst has been around downtown Savannah out through Garden City. And the good news is the rain has really let up for the most part in these areas. Let's take a closer look right now at your live radar, and we'll zoom in exactly where it's raining the hardest. One small spot here on the east side of town. It is coming down a little bit harder there along Highway 80 near Daffin Park. So we'll continue to monitor that. And you're under flash flood warning there until 7 p.m. Elsewhere, though, things are really lighting up across the rest of downtown. The rain's completely come to an end out through a large portion of Garden City. So good news there. But we also have other areas of heavy rain going on, too. And I'll show you those. As we head up to just west of Hilton Head and through Bluffton, we've been seeing some very heavy rain out there near along Highway 278, Highway 46. So slow go in some spots. Take a little extra time, allow some extra room between you and the car in front of you if you are going to be traveling. If you're heading west towards Hardeeville, they had some heavy rain earlier, but things have diminished there. Further north, we had quite a bit of heavy rain around Beaufort. That has also been letting up. Now, as we head further west, it gets more intense around Statesboro, raining very hard. If you don't have to travel in this area, I'd advise probably not to, because we're definitely going to see some areas of street flooding here for about another hour or so between Statesboro and Brooklet, and also heading west to Portal and just north of Metter. Further south, we've got some very heavy rain happening as we head between Glenville and Hinesville, and also into Wayne County and also over to Darien. Heavy rain falling. So it's not just one place, a lot of areas seeing that heavy rain. We've got the flash flood warning that remains in effect here for central Chatham County. Looks like things are getting a lot better in most spots. Now, besides that, we have some flood advisories. An advisory is less intense, but still indicates potential for street flooding. Garden City still looking at potential for some roadways to be covered with water for a little longer, but again, that should be improving up towards Bluffton until 6:45, down through the Hinesville area, Liberty, Long County, including Gum Branch, until 8 o'clock. And again, going back up to one of the places raining the hardest right now, up into the Statesboro area. That's flood advisory in effect until 7:30. Now let's track this rain as we head through the evening. We're going to be continuing to look for chances of downpours right on through about 11 o'clock. By then or a little bit earlier, things should be a lot calmer. We'll have lingering clouds into tomorrow morning, and then as we head through the day tomorrow from 7 a.m. right on through 4 o'clock, we're going to continue to see some downpour chances, but they should be less numerous than what we had out there today. I think today worse than what we're going to see tomorrow. We'll start off 73, mostly cloudy. Once again, clouds will hold temperatures down, and we'll have some more downpour chances with a high of 88. High tide occurred about 4:30 this afternoon. Next one will be late tonight. Out on the water, we'll also have some chances of showers and thunder, and seas will be running about 2 feet through tomorrow. Pollen is pretty low right now. Mold, no surprise, that's high with all the moisture. We'll look ahead all the way to your weekend, and we're going to see highs in the low 90s. Pretty typical July weekend, looks like. We'll continue to fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. Your entire Storm Tracker 7 days shows more sun coming out Wednesday and Thursday and turning hotter, along with a little bit less chance for rain. Keep it right here. We got plenty more after the break.